This video shows how you can reorder the rows in a repeating section using JavaScript methods that the dialog component exposes. So you can see here we have a very simple dialog with the repeating section, and the repeating section contains different addresses for a particular customer. And now we've created some JavaScript buttons over here that allow us to, for example, take this row and move it up. So you can see we've moved that row up, or take that row and move it down, or if I click this button over here, arbitrarily swap row, say 1 with row 2. So when I click this button, row 1 and 2 are going to be swapped. So we go there and you can see there we've swapped row 1 and 2. So let's go now take a look at the JavaScript that is behind those buttons over there. So let's go over to, say, the down button, and if we click on the on click event there to see the code, we see that this button is simply executing the move down repeating section row method of the dialog object, and we pass in the ID of the repeating section container. So to get the list, to get this method, we just go to insert dialog methods, and I type in here move, and you can see there's the move up method, there's the move down method, etc. So that's the move down. Move up obviously is just simply the move up repeating section row over there, and then the swap, you can see what we're doing on swap is we're going to be reading the value out of row 1 and row 2. So let's go over to swap, and so you can see that we create a JavaScript variable called row 1 where we read the value of row 1, then we read the value of row 2, and then we call the swap repeating section rows method, passing in row 1 and row 2, and of course also passing in the ID of the repeating section. So if we go over here to insert method and type SWAP, we can see there's the method described over there. So what we've shown in this video, how you can easily create your own JavaScript buttons to reorder the rows in a repeating section. Thanks very much.